This couple lives in a sewerage for already 22 years and you will be amazed what's inside. There are two types of people in the world. One, who crib about anything and everything, and two, who make peace with whatever they have. This happy Colombian couple falls in the latter. The couple lives in a sewer and despite no means of luxury or worldly comforts, they're content with their lives. It's hard to believe but Maria Garcia and her husband Miguel Restrepo have been living inside a sewer for the last 22 years. Maria and Miguel were both drug addicts when they met in Medellin, Colombia. The area is notoriously known for violence and narcotics trafficking. They lived on the streets and drug addiction was ruining their lives. It was in the time of distress that they found solace in each other's company and together, they decided to quit drug addiction. With no friends or family to give them shelter or any monetary help, they made this sewer their home. It's here that they overcame substance abuse, gave a new direction to their lives and their love for each other grew stronger. They've been living in this sewer ever since, and have no intention of leaving it. Living inside a sewer paints a picture of filth and dirt, but they've turned it into a cozy home with all the necessary things arranged. The couple also have a dog called Blackie, who guards the home in their absence. They're a happy family. This couple's life is a perfect example that all we need is love,